In the previous section, you have understand about the user requirement in detail, which answers the question, what does the website do? And in this section, we are going to see how our clients on the website look like. In other words, this section answers the question, how does the website look like? Or more formally, it is called user interface design. Now, let's look at the user interface design for the backend. This is the admin page structure. As you can see, all the page in the admin consist of three parts: header, detailed content, and footer. The header contains the logo for the bookstore and the menus. The detailed content is the detailed content when appears when the user click